Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable vibration on your phone on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on your home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. And then at the top here, you can change vibration on ring, change vibration on silent, so you can tap on it to turn it on or off. Next down is the vibration for the different apps. So here you got ringtone. In here at the top you can see there is also vibration settings that you can go in and change it. You can set vibration to none, or you can change a different vibration pattern. Okay, so that's for ringtone. You can change the vibration for text tone. Now they are all pretty much the same. You can change the vibration by tap on vibration, and you can choose none, or you can change a different pattern. Okay, so you do that for all of the different notifications and sounds in here. And then you got system vibrations, which is like haptics. When you change on the system controls, it kind of like gently vibrate, so you can turn it on or off as well. Now, if you are looking for a simple way just to simply turn off all vibration at once, then you can go back into settings, then go down to accessibility. Next, tap on touch. And then in here, we go down and tap on vibration, tap on the off switch. And this one will turn off all vibration on your iPhone. And it's including tones for earthquake, tsunami, and other emergency alerts. So everything will turn off. Otherwise, you can go in here and turn on vibration if you suddenly find out your phone does not vibrate. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.